Pick up your phone. Your mother is calling. Why you don't pick up the phone yet? Do not disrespect your mother. Come pick up your phone. Your phone ringing. Ling ling ling. Ling ling. Pick up the phone. Your phone is ringing.
This is the cell phone detection system. It's your dad calling, and man, is he pissed? See if you can talk your way out of this one. This is the...
Huh?
Alert, alert, you have a phone call.
Your mama's calling back for no reason but just to chat. She's talking about the cat. Her dad has gotten fat. I picked up. Don't pick up, it's your mama. Don't pick up phone. It's your mama. Don't pick up phone. It's your mama. The phone. Your mom.
Dad is calling. Hurry up.
Pick up your phone. Your psycho ex is calling. Why you not pick up the phone yet? Do not disrespect your psycho ex. Pick up your phone. Your phone.
Oh my God.
Is your wife calling? Do you understand? Your wife is calling you now.
Hello, it's your mother. Are you there? Hello, it's your...
Hey, your princess.
Yay! I got a text message. I got a text message. I got a text message. You do not. I got a text message. I got...
You got another stupid-ass mess from another stupid-ass person that you probably don't give a rat's ass about. You better get back with them quick, though, because if you don't, they'll keep bugging you and bugging you and bugging you. They're never gonna leave your fucking ass alone. So go ahead and get back with them, but it is okay to send them a message to tell them to fuck off. You got a stupid-ass message from another stupid-ass person that you probably don't give a rat...